Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, assistant teacher, day shift. Today I am going to have a class with the students of class 1. Our today's subject is English language. Today we will discuss lesson 13 and we will practice exercise number 1 and 2. This is our lecture number 6. Okay, my dear students, you will take your book Enjoying Grammar book 1. You will take your book Enjoying Grammar book 1 and you will open the page 40 for our today's class. Now come to our class, come to our lesson. Our today's lesson is 13 and the topic is these, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. Now read the sentences. The boy is showing a bag. So what will we say? This is a bag. Here the boy is showing a bird. That is a bird. Here the boy is showing two tops. So we can say these are tops. Here the girl is showing two kites. So we can say those are kites. So what can we understand from the picture? If we think, we can see that the boy is showing the bag. The bag is near to him. The bag is in his hand. That's why he is saying this is a bag. But here the boy is showing a bird and the bird is far from him and it is on the tree. It is on the tree. That's why we have to say that is a bird. In this picture, the boy is showing two tops and the tops are near him. So we can say these are tops. As there is more than one, that's why we use these are tops. Here the girl is showing two kites and the kites are not near the girl, they are far from the girl. That's why we are saying those are kites. So when we search something near us, at that time we use these or these or these. And if there is single one, at that time we say this. And if there are more than one, that means plural, at that time we say these. And here when we show something far from us, at that time we use that and those. If there is single one, at the time we use that, and if there is more than one, that is plural, we use those. Now we use these to say that something is near. The plural of this is these. We use that to show that something is far away. The plural of that is those. Now exercise number 1, we have to write this. Write this is or that is. See, here the boy is pointing a star. Is the star near to him? No, it's far from him. So we can write that is a star. That is a star because when something is far away from us, we will write that is. Now here there is a ball. So is the ball far from the girl? No, the ball is in the hand of the girl. So we will write this is a ball. This is a ball. This, this. Is is. This is a ball. Now see number 3. Dash a tree. Dash a tree. Is the tree near to the boy? No, the tree is far away from the boy. So it will be that. 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 Is. Is. That is a tree. That is a tree. Number 4. We can see that there is a cat in the lap of the boy. So what will we write? Is it far or near? Yes, this is near the boy. So we will write this is a cat. This is a cat. Thi is this, is. This is a cat. So we will revise exercise number 1. Question number 1, that is a star. Number 2, this is a ball. Number 3, that is a tree. And number 4, this is a cat. Now we will do exercise number 2. Write these are or those are. These are or those are. Can you remember when we will use these are? Yes, when the things is near to us. And when the things is far away from us, at the time we will use those are. Okay? So number 1. These are flowers. Here we see flowers and it's near to the girl. So we write these are flowers. Number 2. There are some dogs. And is the dogs near the boy or far away the boy? Yes, right you are. The dogs are far away from the boy. So we will write those are dogs. Those are dogs. Those are dogs. Those, those. Okay, now come number 3. Here we can see some robots. The boy is pointing the robots. What can we see? Is the robots near to him or far away from him? Right, you were. These are near to him. So we will write these are These. These are Are. These are robots. Now come number 4. The girl is pointing to ducks. Yes. Is the ducks near or far? Yes, right you are. The ducks are far away from the girl. So we will write those are ducks. Those, those, Are. Those are ducks. Now number 5. Here the girl is showing the pencils. Is they far away? No, they are near to the girls because they are in the hands of the girl. So we will write these are These. These are Are. These are pencils. These are pencils. Now here we can see that a man is taking some toys. So is the toys far from him or near him? Near him. Yes, right you are. These are near to him. So we will write these are These. These Are. These are. Okay, now we will revise exercise 2. Number 1, these are flowers. Those are dogs. These are robots. Those are ducks. These are pencils. These are toys. Okay, my dear students, this is all for our today's class. I hope that you are practicing very well at your home. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.